Hi everyone, here we've got EMPORIA Smart 3 Mini, and let me share with you how to enable night light or eye comfort mode. So firstly we have to find and open the settings, and now let's tap on the display. As you can see, on the second position we've got night light, so simply enter it, and in order to check it and customize it we have to turn it on, so just tap on this green button, and as you can see, and the screen turns a little bit yellowish or amber, and it is in order to filter the blue light and make it easier to read in the dim light. We can change the intensity of that feature just by using this switcher. By going to the left you can make it much cooler, and to the right much warmer. What's more, you can schedule it just by tapping here. You can turn it on at custom time, so you will be able to choose start time and end time, or from sunset to sunrise. Let me pick the custom time, and as you can see here we've got the start time. We can start it at, for example, maybe 9 o'clock, confirm it with OK. As you can see, it is immediately applied, and the end time we can set at this, let's say at 5 o'clock. Again, confirm with OK. As you can see, the screen turned yellowish again, and it is because we are between the start and end time. But let me turn off this option, and actually this is the whole customization of this feature, and right now I can show you much faster access to it. And all you have to do is simply unroll the top bar, and here we have to find the night light. The icon should appear automatically right here. If not, you can always tap on this edit icon, but as you can see, it should appear. So right now it is turned on. If you'd like to turn it off, all you have to do is simply tap on it, and the screen turns back to its normal state. So actually that's all. This is how to enable the night light or eye comfort mode in your EMPORIA Smart 3 Mini. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.